everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with an unboxing video of the BlackBerry KEY2 in the year 2019. So we just passed the 1 year anniversary for this fantabulous device, and I'm happy to have my hands on it again. It's a solid device. The keyboard is the best in the business. I mean, there's really not a whole lot of a physical keyboard business anymore, but even back looking at past devices, I really think that this is probably the best keyboard ever made. It's got a 4.5-inch IPS LCD panel with over 400 pixels per inch. It's got a Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So it's got pretty much everything you need to power you through your day and more. It's got a 3500 milliamp battery, which is fantastic, especially paired with the processor. It's got good straight line speed, but it also is really good at balancing multitasking and power management, so it'll last you well through the day. All right, so now that I got my fancy little ninja knife and got the tape off of this sucker, we can open up the box and have a closer look at the BlackBerry KEY2 and the contents therein. So as soon as you open it up, you get this great straight line view of the BlackBerry KEY2 in all of its glory. It's got the little BlackBerry security shield on the little sticker on the front there. You can see it's got a gorgeous aluminum body. It's got a nice balanced weight to it. It feels really good in the hand. You have your convenience key over on the side along with your power button, your volume rockers. The keyboard is really cool because it has the capacitive touch sensitive features. So you can use it to scroll through Facebook, Instagram, the Internet Explorer, whatever you want to use. You can swipe back on it so you can delete words while you're typing. It really is a novel feature that they were able to incorporate, and it works really well. You've got larger keyboard keys than you did on the Key 1. I think it's like 20-30% larger. So you've got a great typing surface to be able to do all your communication and your browsing and all the fun stuff. So there's all the documentation inside the box there along with the SIM ejector tool. So nobody really looks at this stuff, but for you, that one guy that's out there that still looks and reads through all this stuff, thumbs up to you for making sure that you keep them honest and they continue to put the documentation in the box. Now, there is a set of earphones here. If you can get it out of the plastic, it's kicking my butt a little bit, but it's got neat little earphones in there. It's got the BlackBerry logo on it, which I thought was cool. It also has some extra earbud tips there so you can have it sized for your individual comfort and convenience. I do give them a thumbs up for going ahead and still including earphones in here. Not all phones do that nowadays, so thumbs up there on including the earphones. Now, in addition to that, you've got your USB-C charging cable. It's a pretty short charging cable, but it'll get the job done. It's not going to reach across the room or anything, but if you need to charge your phone, of course, it's adequate for that. You've got your charging brick, which of course is a quick charge capable power brick, so you can get yourself recharged. And one nice thing about the phone is you really don't have to recharge it that often because of the 3500 milliamp battery. Combined with the processor, the sucker will last all day. And a normal person, it'll roll over into the next day. So that's really, really cool that we're talking about that even still today in 2019 when the phone is a year old. All right, so taking the sticker off the back, you can see it's got this dimpled textured look to it. It's a rubberized feel. It has a nice solid feel to it. It's not going to slip out of your hand. You got the subdued BlackBerry logo there, and then you've got your dual 12 megapixel cameras. Yeah, every time I look at this, it reminds me of Johnny 5. If you ever saw Short Circuit back in the 80s, Short Circuit 2, Johnny 5 is definitely alive, and it reminds me of that every time I see the camera on the back of this phone. But the camera is improved. They've made a lot of software improvements since it originally came out a year ago, so it is taking better pictures, which is nice because if you're going to use this as a daily driver, you want to make sure you've got a phone that takes good pictures. So it's definitely improved in that department. Good quality sound. The keyboard is solid. I love the capacitive touch features that you have so you can scroll up and down. It makes life easy because you've got this elongated 4.5-inch screen, but you don't even have to reach up and touch it because of the keyboard. So that's all I've got on my unboxing video for the BlackBerry KEY2. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.